everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana. We got some summer wreaths going on today. Easy to make ones. We are working with some variety of greenery. Beauties, look at that. And some florals. And I made some ribbons with my Bodabra. Comes in handy. Yes, we got two of them. We also got our scissors and wire cutters, and let's get started. I found this little wreath. It's a 14-inch one. So we're going to first start with our greenery right here. We're going to put two on the side right here. You could easily either glue them on or you could wire them on. Let's pin these on with the wiring. This on here. We're going to get the next one and we're just going to put it slightly kind of to the side. Okay, let's put it in there and get our wiring. That's why I love to work with this wire, this wreath, because it already has a wire in it. Okay, look at that. Let's get you back over here and pin that on. How simple is that? Okay, get this going right here. Then we are going to get our ribbon on right here. Put this ribbon on right here. I should have did that in the first place. Oopsie daisy. And then we are going to get our little ribbon up here. This one I made by hand. Okay. Got this going. And twist it on. Voila. How's that? Okay. Then we're going to get our other greeneries. Some in here. Some right here. Pin those on with the wiring. Then we're going to get another ones over here. Like I said, you can use your glue gun or use wiring. Then we're going to get our beautiful florals. We're just going to arrange those around here. I thought the coloring mixed with the bowl came out neat. Look at the coloring and wow, how beautiful. I could get this one up in here. Mix your colors and the varieties with the greenery and just experiment and have fun making your wreath, and you will come out with a beauty. Visualize and creates creativity. Look at that. Oh my, how beautiful. Look. One more of these. See? Got that right in there. Oh my, I think I'm going to pin this guy back around down in here closer. Yeah. How beautiful is that? Okay, got that arrangement right here. Now we're just going to work our way with these. Come up in here. Get them going in there. Pin the other one in here. There we go. Down with the wiring. I'm going to get another one. Scoot over a little bit. I'm going to pin you up in here. Make way for this. Have a little green here going on in there. Did that backwards. Then that one right here. This one right here. Wow, how's that looking, everybody? Look at, we got it. Some of this and pin it in, and there it is, everybody. How'd that come, everybody? Look at that. Simple wreath. This is a couple florals and some greenery. And you come out with a beautiful little wreath. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any ideas or just enjoyed my video, consider press the subscribe button and you'll be notified, and you all will be helping out my video. With that much thanks, once again, we got summertime wreaths going. You all have a happy day and get that smile on and like and share. Till the next video, everybody, have a great and wonderful day. Thanks for watching.